Okay, guys, so I'm here at the tire place, dropping my truck off. I got my note here. I gotta leave with my key, and I'm pretty excited. It was a freaking mess trying to catch the place, but this is what she looks like now, without any rims and tires, and she's about to look sexy. So I have to pull this down because I don't want people looking in my damn truck. Easier said than done, I guess. Or I can just drop my phone 50 million times. That works too. Alright. So I do think it's a wheel bearing up front with that noise. Hopefully I'll find out tomorrow. Look, let me drop these keys off and then we'll see what's going on.